Alright, so today we are going to unbox together the Cosori electric gooseneck kettle. This is how it looks. I am going to unbox it right now. We are going to look at it together, but we can check a little bit of the specs first. So it is a gooseneck kettle, so it's going to be easy to pour with precision. Now it's an electric kettle that comes with all these options with the on and off button, the different temperature settings, which is really good, for example, when you make tea. Not all teas need the same temperature. And then there is also a feature that is a security feature. So when you have your kettle empty, it won't boil without any water to avoid any damaging of the kettle or anything that could burn your house. And there is also a whole temperature button, so you can boil your water and then keep it at the same temperature. Let's say if you want to just drink tea the whole day, you're going to be able to keep the water at the right temperature and just use it again and again. Alright, now let's unbox it and see what is in the box and how the kettle looks like. It is a matte gooseneck kettle, and I know it's going to be super beautiful. I also love what Cosori makes. So when you open it, did I drop something? When you open it, you have the thank you card, you have the warranty. You can extend your warranty to 2 years, but it does come with a 1-year warranty free with the product. Now, you have the user guide and some information and contact information. Now, this is the kettle. No, this is the base. So this is the power base. Let me just remove it. Oh, you know what? Let's just remove everything. It's so well packed that we're just going to remove it like that. So it is well protected. So it's really simple and easy to understand. You have the power base, you have the kettle, and this is how it looks like. We are going to go over all the buttons. So you have the on and off, and they are touch buttons. We're going to plug it and try it on. But you have the on and off, the white tea. So white tea is 170 Fahrenheit. Then you have green tea, 180 Fahrenheit. Not all teas need the same temperature for getting the whole flavor of the tea. The oolong, I never knew how to pronounce this one. Oolong tea is 195 Fahrenheit, coffee 205, and then you want to boil it 100%, it's 212 Fahrenheit. And then of course you can hold the temperature. So again, really easy to understand. Everything is labeled very easily. Pretty nice matte base. And again, you have the power cord, which we are going to plug and use. So let's do that together. But first, let's look at our beautiful kettle here. So this is how it looks like. All right, so we do have the cap. I was like, what? It does come with the cap. So this is how it looks like. It's metallic. And again, you have that long gooseneck here to allow you to pour with precision. All right, so this is how it looks like. This is how big it is. I'm going to give you some numbers, but sometimes I just like to see it. And then it's really easy. You just put it on the base. We're going to fill it with water. There is a max line inside of it. I don't know if you can see it. And you are going to cover it. And then once it's ready, let's see what happens once it's ready. So I'm going to go fill it. We are going to plug it and boil some water. All right, so I just filled it a little under its full capacity. The full capacity is 0.85 quart, by the way, which is 0.8 liter. All right, now we are going to turn it on. So once you turn it on, it turns blue, but it does not make any noise. And then let's choose the temperature. I'm going to do it 180. And now we're just going to wait. So you can hear it boiling. And now we wait. Now I can hear it reach the temperature because it's going down and less noisy. All right. And then it beeps. then what you can do is keep warm. So you need to press the on and off button again, and then you can just press keep warm, and it's just going to keep it warm. Alright, so that was my unboxing of the electric gooseneck kettle by Cosori. Now let's just pour some of the water in a cup so you can see how easy it is to pour with the beautiful gooseneck that we have here. Let me bring some tea. Alright, so I do have hibiscus tea. Let's just show you. I chose a mason jar just because it's transparent, but usually I will use a cup with a handle when I drink anything hot. Right? Let's just show you.